Chanel. I'm a homeschooling mum of two, and my biggest pain point as a housewife and a mum is dinner time. I hate dinner time. Trying to figure out what I'm going to cook for dinner, or I'll go and do a big shop without any real plan, buy loads of food and it ends up going out of date, or I plan to make a certain meal and then I go and get the meat out of the fridge and it's out of date and I can't use it, and it just adds to the stress of dinner time. But I have figured out a very simple 5-step plan for dinner time to take out all of the stress that I feel with meal planning, what's for dinner question, and even how to use those leftovers before they go out of date. So just in case we share this pain point of dinner time and meal prepping and wasting loads of food, and so let's face it, loads of money, I'm going to share this 5-step plan with you and I hope you find it helpful. Number 1, make a list of all of your family favourite meals and get the family involved. What does everybody like? What's their favourite meal? What's your cheat meal? And I like to put them into categories. So you could put them into categories based on protein. So all of the chicken dishes, all of the beef dishes, all of the sausage dishes, and so on. I also like to put a little note next to each meal as to whether it's a quick and easy meal, or whether it's one that takes a little bit longer, or whether it's a slow cooker meal, and there's so many different categories that you can do. So make a list of all of your family's favourite meals. Step number 2, use AI to put together a meal plan for you. AI is a great tool to take out all of the decision making yourself. You simply copy and paste your list of family favourite meals into an AI program such as ChatGPT, which is the one I like to use, and you put in the prompt and get it to put your meal plan together for you. This takes out a lot of the decision making that you need to make yourself. I have actually got a free resource for you that I will explain at the end of this video, which has all of the prompts that you need to do this step. Step number 3. Now that you have your meal plan, all you need to do is write your shopping list. And you can do this while you're at home. So check your cupboards, see what you've already got, so you're not overbuying and not buying things that you don't need. Step number 4, and this is where the system really works. Now that you're home with your shopping, go through your perishable items and make a note of their expiry dates, especially your proteins. I like to put the day as well because I never know what date it is, but make a note of all of their expiry date. Now you know when you need to make that meal by. And finally, step number 5. When you cook your meal, make a note of the date that you have cooked it. Now, I am not a professional, so check your local food standards agency for when it is safe to use leftovers. But I generally go by the rule of about 3 days. So once I've made the meal, pop it in the fridge, and then I make a note of the day that I made that meal. Now I know that I need to use it within those 3 days, or I can freeze it for another week. This is the meal planner that I use, that I make myself. So each box is a meal for the week, and I put down what the meal is, and then when I get home from shopping, I write down the expiry date for the perishable items that I need to use in that meal. It's also really handy that if I'm using something that's frozen or a meal that I've made another week, I can put a little note on here to say that it needs to be taken out of the freezer. So that reminds me in the morning. When I've made the meal, I fill in the date that I cooked it, and I simply put this on my fridge. This simple system has helped me so much with my stress levels around dinner time. It's helped me on those busy nights when my daughter has dance, or a play day or something like that. And it also helps me in the week when things are busy. I don't have to think what's for dinner anymore. I simply look at my list. So I hope this is helpful for you. If you use this system, please share it with me. I'd love to hear whether you've used it or whether you've adapted it to work for yourself. I just hope it's as helpful for you as it has been for me. As a bonus, I've created a free ebook. I'll pop this in the description box. All you need to do is subscribe to my newsletter on my website and you get a free ebook. And in that ebook, I share my current list of family favourite meals. I share free printables for this in different designs, as well as the ChatGPT prompts that I use and tips for success. So I hope you find it useful. Thanks for watching.